With AI, you can have your content strategy defined today. It's time to stop overthinking your content strategy and just start posting today. Seriously, you don't need another 6 months. You don't need to take another training. You don't need to find the perfect niche. And in this video, I'm going to show you how, and more importantly, why this works so well. Most creators aren't stuck because they're lazy. It's because they're trying to figure out everything all at once. What should I post? Who am I helping? What is my monetization strategy? What if I pick the wrong niche? That mental loop helps kill your momentum. So let's use AI to break that loop. Watch this. Before we take a look at the prompts, let's look at this secret weapon that I found. This GPT is specifically designed to give business advice. Go to Google, search Zero to Launch GPT by Impact Theory, and then follow their instructions. This is a free GPT, which means that you'll be able to give very specific prompts about content creation, and it will give you good responses, versus if you use ChatGPT directly, you would have to give a lot more detailed prompts. But here we get to give very simple prompts, and it gives phenomenal responses. Let's jump into those prompts. First, I asked it to help me with my monetization strategy. I used the prompt, I want to create YouTube, TikTok, and Instagram content for the niche of using AI and automation for social media. What revenue streams should I consider? Of course, you'll want to put your niche details in there in place of mine. And instantly, I had clarity: digital products, affiliates, services, and long-term plays. Next, I asked for a creator playbook. Using this prompt, I would like a creator playbook that includes starting these channels as well as the monetization strategy included. This gave me clarity on what my channel is about, how I should position myself, and what to focus on. That's huge because clarity creates confidence. Then I asked for a launch plan, and since it already had a lot of context, I just said, give me a launch plan for this. Instead of wondering where to start, I had the first step, and the first week, and the first month. No guessing. Then I decided to define my ideal audience. The prompt I provided was, help me define my ideal audience. I would like to help new creators. Now that ChatGPT understands who I'm targeting, it can help me write great scripts plus titles and hooks. And finally, I asked it to help me define my content pillars. I gave it the prompt, I would like to break this up into 3 to 5 content pillars. And just like that, I'm no longer staring at the jumbled mess that I've created over the last 6 months. I had clarity on things I'd never even thought of. ChatGPT isn't just giving random ideas, it's creating structure. Once you define all of these, ChatGPT then starts giving you greater and greater responses because it has the context it needs. And yes, unfortunately, the paid-for version is going to give you better responses. I highly recommend getting the paid-for version. So now, creator playbook, done. Monetization strategy, validated. AI helps you turn someday into today. Download the prompt pack from the description below. Let AI simplify the hard stuff, and you start creating content, not just planning it. And subscribe if you're ready to start building smarter and faster. Now it's time to go create your first video, which should be your channel trailer.